Hi, 7th graders. How's everybody? It's Miss K. I'm happy to be back, and we're going to be creating our second art project up on Google Classroom. It'll be posted today, May 26th, and you have 1 week to complete it, so we'll not be due until next Tuesday. And we're going to be creating a Zentangle. Most of you should know what a Zentangle is. We've worked on it throughout this year. We created a Zentangle. So if you see the word Zentangle, the word Zen in it, there's two words in it, Zen and Tangle. So the word Zen means calm. And then the word tangle refers to overlapping patterns and designs. And that's what the word Zentangle means. We're going to be creating a flower, something similar to this. This is just an example. You can create any flower that you want. It can be small flowers all over the page filled with Zentangles, or it could be one large flower like this filled with Zentangles. So Zentangles are just patterns, repetitive patterns and designs. So to start, you're going to need a piece of white paper or light colored paper. You're going to need a pencil, a Sharpie or any black pen, marker, even black colored pencil. And that is it to make your flower Zentangle. Because we're going to try to keep this black and white. I'm not even going to ask you to color this one in. So to start, you want to come up with a flower design, and I'm going to post other images of different flowers and tangles for you to get some ideas of. You could also Google search images of flowers. I'm just going to do a pretty basic one here for you with curved petals and little leaves right here in between those petals. Now inside each section, you're going to create a different Zentangle, a different pattern with your pencil. Doesn't really matter what pattern you do. You just want to fill up each space. And like I said, you should remember this project. We created a Zentangle earlier this year. And if you had a hard time on that project, maybe this will be the time to make it better. The best learning is done through repetition, like repeating. That's how we learn. So you're going to fill it up with each different section of the flower with different designs. So the thought process behind a Zentangle was that when you're creating one, it makes your mind still and calm. And that's the whole concept behind Zentangle. When you're making Zentangles, it's sort of like therapy, art therapy for you. You just kind of zone out. You're not really thinking too much. You're just drawing. Your mind is calm. All right, so let's pretend we finished that. We filled it all up. So then it looks something like this. Your next step is to take your Sharpie or black marker. And if you don't have a black marker, you could do this with a colored marker. Just use one color. Say you just had like some Crayola markers. You could use blue, red, just do one color. Because we just want to keep this kind of black and white, or one color and white. So you're going to outline every single line of your Zentangle with the black Sharpie. And since we're keeping this a black and white design, then you can go ahead in and start coloring sections of it in, creating patterns with the black and white color. So I would color this, skip, color this, skip the next one. So you're making a pattern with black and white. You're not just outlining, you're outlining, but then you're coloring too with the black marker to make black and white patterns. And as I'm doing this, I just want to let you guys know you did a great job. All of you who handed in your first project, the 3D portrait line design, you did a really good job. There was some amazing work. So everything will get graded in the next couple days if it hasn't. And if you need to hand it in still, hand it in late. It's fine. It's better to hand it in late than not hand it in at all. If you're not sure how to hand it in, you can take a picture. You can email it to me. Or you could post it on our class page. If you want to email it to me, you can email it to me at ppsstaff.org. And that's all up on Google Classroom too. And you can always reach out to your friends, reach out to me and ask for help. Anyone has the packet work too, and you handed that in, great. I should be receiving it from the district, and a lot of you have been asking about that. The district is supposed to be scanning them and emailing them to the teachers. So you're just gonna keep continuing to color and making patterns. Black, white, black, white, black, white. Until the entire Zentangle is all filled up. Each petal you're going to work through like that. So again, you're going to be drawing some sort of a flower concept design, taking up most of the space of your paper. So make it large or make a bunch of small flowers to fill up the space. Inside each section, you're going to add patterns and lines called Zentangles. And then you're going to outline with a black Sharpie or colored marker or pen, and you're going to color it in. Just using one color, making patterns until it's all filled up. All right, so I hope everyone has a great time with this project. If you have any questions, reach out to me on Google Classroom. Again, great work. I miss you all, and I hope you're staying safe. All right, have a great day.